cherry again, jack of all trades. And me cream, my daughter here, you know? Jack of all trades. You're good at everything, you know? You don't know already, cherry make shop, cherry do all those things. Cherry a farmer, hairdresser.
Sure, name it.
Just name it. Anything you call the fan, Sister Charity did. Jack of all trades. That's a girl you want to hear your cream too?
No.
Okay. Okay, that's the kid.
Hi, friends.
If you go wash.
So today we're doing a hair cream challenge.
Oh.
So this is Dorian and my grandmother and my auntie's video. So today we're starting this hair video. So I hope you enjoy it, like and subscribe.
What you mean?
Granddaughter.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, without fear.
Like, share, and subscribe, Mara.
Yes.
What if you subscribe to Brooksy and family?
Yes. And subscribe to everybody else's channel.
That be no jail.
Start your own shop and start your own videos.
Yes, sir. Tell them, ma.
Video.
Subscribe and like. You hear that?
When you go and just apply the cream to Dorian here.
Yeah.
Teamwork, make the dream work.
Yeah. So all of us is friends.
Yeah, and the real Jenna Brooksy. Then they
Yeah.
go and do some grabber thing, you know?
Yeah.
Which you can see it too, you know. As you would grab away and say, you know.
What you mean?
Straight, you know.
What you mean?
Go and grab a wrapping, which you can see. Today I want rainy day. And with the on the ends, I go and do some work, you know.
Yeah, everything I do today.
Which you don't know, say tomorrow Friday is a market day. So we Brooksy, I don't know. I prepare some of them rope market, you know. Because we don't know, say, crab I want something. We are family. We don't know, say, crab a family. A whole heap of species of crab we have, you know, like?
Yeah.
You have matterfin, you have black crab, you have all kind of crab, but all of them are still crab family, them, don't it? Swamp crab, this a crab, all of them are one family crab them. Remember say crab are one family, you know. No care what kind of crab, are still crab. Just like if you have somebody when name Clark. Remember say all Clark no family man?
Yeah, man.
So all crab a family. You get me I say? So what you think say with family? Family come like crab. Family is like crab. You understand?
Yeah.
So when people tell you say you come like a crab, one of the worst way if your man describe any living man, you know, if you be like crab. Because crab want something will hold on back one another. You notice if you have 12 crab in a one barrel, one can't come out, you know. If you try come out, the rest of the leg not drawing down back.
I hold him back.
He can't come out, he never come out. So that's why you tell you say, yeah, that's why you hear people always try to tell you say, you'll be like a crab in a barrel. You understand?
Yeah.
So crab in a barrel, I want something where them I tell you say, no one to see the next crab rise.
Rise.
No one to see him come out of the barrel like the rest of them. So
Drawing
when
down
people
back.
tell you say, you're like crab in a barrel, I know good with something and tell you. I know good something. You know?
Yeah.
And you have a lot of family who stay that way. Just like the crab family, man. The same way human family operate too. Because they don't want to know, say. You know, say that another family member you reach out of the barrel. You know why you come out?
Yeah.
So it's time to keep you down in the slum at all time. You know? You know why you have to come out of the barrel. So that are the thing where me tell you, say. Crab in a barrel.
When you crab in a barrel, which one wanna try climb up?
Yeah, right. And I family. I family, you know. Remember the one we are come out of your brother, your cousin, or your auntie, you know, a crab, a crab too.
Yeah.
So we are one family. And me I try to come out to make a better life. And you draw me down back. Every time I push up me, you draw me down. Every time I push up me, you draw me down back. So I know good something. If nobody describe you like a crab.
Yeah.
You understand? No, sir. Nobody describe you like crab. When a man describe you and say you come like a crab, you know, you are no good something anymore, you know.
Yeah.
You're no good, you can't good if somebody describe you that way there.
You can't go, you know.
Oh, tell me. tell me no, cause we are talking no one here.
Yes, why you too?
Something you can't go down, but you're just not happy to see what going with me. You understand?
So that's why you draw me down
But
back.
that's why I draw you down back. 'Cause you can't go
That
through,
no
you know.
good.
Then that good? No good no in you there so then man. If me a try to rise and you a keep me down, you no good no you there so feel. No, what kind of good?
You a fart near talk.
Yeah, no good no did there.
You don't want to see me right.
No good no did there man, no good no did there man, you know. Yeah man. So all a man we eat all crab, you know, me no like even see you neither too, you know, cause crab a want something where you don't feel look pan when you see it, you know. Yeah man, you know feel look pan crab man. You know feel look pan crab man, crab a no good something. Crab bad mind, you know. A bad mind crab have with against other brethren them and crab family them, you know. Make you no want them cook alright, make you no want them rise, you know. Well at the same thing me I tell you, say you have people on this face of this earth will stay just like crab.
Yeah.
Just like a crab. Yeah, that me I say, you know. So we fi know say we no fi be like no crab man, you know. Just be good, live good, and try to make things work out good with each other. You understand? Cause if me can help you, me I go help you, you know. I mean, I help you from the bottom of my heart.
True, man.
Me I help you with a good mind. I mean, I help you fi look for no PhD or fi no talk about nothing over here, fi have no edge over you. Me just tell yourself, say, you know, me see how you did down and you did want one and a banana, you did want one boot and me give you or whatever. Me do for you, me do something for you, me help you in a way where you need me help. I know nothing for me go back go talk about it. You understand? Me just do this for you and do it with a clear, good mind and conscience and set myself free and no say, yeah. Me can't do it, so me do it.
Yeah.
If me can't do it, me not go force to do it. So if me
Right.
can't do it, me do it. You understand? So I
I
just
do
saw
it
it
and
go.
murmur about
No,
it.
no, no, no. It's not a
That
good
make
thing
it, that
that,
make
you know.
sense me did do it.
It's not a good thing that. So it is in that earth here, as me say all the while, we have to talk about this. We have to live loving, show love to each other. Not just talk love, you know.
No man, show it.
Talking love different from showing love and give love, you know. Nobody just talk about love every day, talk about love
Don't talk about it,
and
show me
it not
action.
go nowhere. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You have to give love to people. You have to show love to people. And that's the way you think about loving each other. You not just get up every day, preach love, and back at the door you have one sitting else. You understand?
Bursting that.
Yeah, you are one made of something. But in front of me or in front of public, you are the nicest thing. But you have to know yourself. You have to clean inside out. You know, just clean in that. Like some people clean their yard and in a house dirty. Are they clean in a house and out a yard dirty? No, you clean inside
And
out.
outside.
Well, the same thing with mankind and your mind and your heart. You
True.
have to have a clean, clear conscience. And that will set you
Set
free.
you free.
That me know.
You
Anywhere
must
you
sleep good
want,
at night time.
you lay down and sleep till you piss your bed. You lay down and sleep till you piss your bed. The way you're comfortable. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Right. Well, that me seek in life. Me seek comfort. Me no seek riches. You know? Me seek comfort because me can't work for rich, you know. But me can't work for make myself comfortable.
Right.
Me can be a comfortable person. Me can live a happy life.
Come along, friend.
You know? But me can't work for rich. Because for rich, you know, you have to have billions of dollars in your position to tell yourself, say, you is a rich man. And somehow we were rich,
Some
we
are
are
rich and not comfortable and they wish them they stay like
You're
we.
rich and uncomfortable.
You're rich and you can't even laugh, you know.
Alright. Well, that's the same thing now. Like you have some people who say, every day in hearts, God for give more life. You want more life. In pray for more life. Every day of life, I ask for, you know. But life without strength not gonna away, you know. Cause you can have life, you know, but you can't even lift up your hand. You can't move, you can't feed yourself.
Same thing with the rich, you will rich here, you have the most money, you can't help
And you
yourself.
can't help you can't help yourself.
And you
because
wish you did in some
the way
people's
how you're
situation.
sick, the way how you're sick, you can't even take up your meal if you put it
So
in
you
your
just
mouth.
show you some money and nothing.
Exactly.
Because me deal with
exactly.
certain way, me that rich, when me can move, me that one rich, when me can move. Money can't do everything.
No care how you have the money, no care how you're rich, no care what you have. When you're sick and dip on your back lay down and can't
Make
turn.
sure you have your happiness and
Remember,
that's
say
not that
somebody have to
count.
come turn you. You ever hear they say somebody go turn people a man in time? sick people in them bed,
Yeah.
and you tell us, say, go turn him, you have to go turn him this morning, can never turn. You see the morning, you understand? Him can't turn himself, you know. The way you're sick, you know, and they can bed they lay down for months and years,
And
you know.
rich, they too.
Alright, and rich and having money, but he can't help himself. So here what with him now. Him have life, but he not no strength. Him weak and rat. You understand? That means he can't, the way you're weak, he can't bear
Can't
himself.
even cup, he can't
He
lift
can't
up.
lift up him
Everybody,
cup.
they have to do everything
Somebody
for
have
you.
to do everything for you. So life without strength,
I don't know.
I know nothing. You have to have health and strength too with life. In order for you can continue your journey. Because if you're alive, you know, and can turn, you know, it's like you know nothing, you know. You're alive, you're alive, man, in the hospital, I breathe and you see you're not dead yet, but you can't even open your eye. You don't know who come over
You
your
just
bed.
did it till
you just
your
did it so till
time.
when the breath left the body. So life without strength and nothing. You can't have life and weak or rat. So you have to have strength with life too. If you're not strong, you can't get up, you can't walk, you can't do nothing. So you have to have the strength in the body to keep
I'm
you
grateful
going
for
too.
you have.
And grateful for the little way you got. That's right, baby girl, you know. And that we know, so we know grateful for what we have.
Till you lose it, when
Till
you
when
lose
you
it,
lose it.
you come like say, you just a picture say that me did have. Me did have the body there and then me just lose it. So
That
when you
time
have gone
gone.
through the gate,
That
you can't do
time
nothing
gone
about it
through
again.
the gate, you understand? Gone
You have
right
to
through the gate.
appreciate people that around you and what they do for you.
Same way,
You know,
same
wait till
way.
when they gone, you say, no, saying they good to me, and it don't make no sense no, because me
No.
gone, me dead and gone, or me no there around you again.
Same way.
You see people there around you, and I help you out, you show them love, and you show them say you appreciate them, and you
what them a
welcome
do
them
for you.
when they come
Right.
around you.
That is love. You know, just
You can't stuck up in your race every day, and
Yeah.
not go put you nowhere.
True.
You nah put you nowhere.
You can't stuck in your feelings
No.
all the while.
Open up yourself and love people
Look here.
and show people say you're welcome there.
You can forgive, you know, but you will always remember.
You're not going to figure it.
Right, you never forget.
And if things not
Yeah.
gonna be the same like
And it
how it
won't be
used
the
to be.
same,
If you do me
right.
something one time, you go do me again.
Yeah, but if me allow you to continue doing
Yeah,
it.
that's why me draw my line there. So.
Exactly. So you can only do me one time. You not go get me now get the chance to kill me. You know. So I just saw it thing go. You know. People have to understand and know where we want out of life, how you feel live. You have to study how to live, you know. If you not study how you feel live in the earth, you know, you're going to end up one way, you know. You're going to have problem, you know.
Problem with people.
Yeah, and you're not going to want to live that way every day of your life. You have problem.
No.
You don't want problem.
Nobody want that. Nobody want
Everybody want to live a quiet and peaceful life.
Same way. But at the end of the day, you have to prepare that life for yourself, you know.
Right.
You have to prepare
You
that
don't want to
quiet
live
and
every day of your
peaceful
life, you have
life there, you know.
stress.
Because
No.
if they run somebody every day, she say, where them a go, every day I mix up and something. You have to know, say, you go cut off the people there. And know where you want.
You not go down the road there with nobody.
Yes, you great restaurant there, people.
You not go down the road there with no one at
time.
all. That's why me I say great Rasta road there forward.
Always late.
Yeah, you know. So you find see so it thing go, you know. Same way so it thing go, you know. You have to just know say well then. You know where you want out of life.
And do good and good follow you.
Same way them tell you that from we a little pick.
And we are got basic school.
Yeah, good we follow you know. So no get up and preach love every day and a talk love every day and not give love and show love. You have to show love to the people them. Whosoever they around you, you make them feel welcome. You make them feel like say well then, yeah, me need your company.
You know, with some people, some people, you know, them and they love is man, love. When I say no, they show your butt.
Yeah.
Yes, when
Behind your back.
Behind your back now, you are not the good, you are the worst thing. Yeah, then the people you call them hypocrite.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in front of me, you show me one face, you know, but when my back turn, you have another face. So you have two faces under the one cap. You understand? You have two faces under the one cap.
You take
Right,
off and
you
put
know?
on.
You have two faces under the one cap. So them kind of people, you feed them with one long stick, you know. You make them stay at a distance and feed them like some bad pig. You know, some pig we're afraid for. So you stay far and show him food game. You know, go near him, you know. Kind we hurt you. Right. So those type of people, you feed them with a long stick. Or some people that say you love them, but you love them from a distance.
Yeah.
You love them from a distance, you know? Yeah. Cause bad dog will bite you up if you don't know where you're doing no kind of food go give you know. So you have to know them things between our earth, yeah. And study yourself, you know? So I just saw a thing going on people which and while you no can see. As me a show us a book say I do some rapping a grabber. I saw a thing going on.
I can't rap it in, I'm so sure no.
Everybody can rap grabber man. All of them pick me rappy when they're ready. Maybe rappy when they're ready to see them way. And me rap when me ready to see them way. All of them rappy. Tata rappy way have now them time to, you know. All of you. Everybody learn to do this. Everybody learn to do this.
Don't be like I ate it
Learn to
today.
do this. And this is one trade where you see this
How
a
would
trade,
that-
yeah? You see if you do this, then anybody can do
You
this.
next year already?
The people them will teach with this. The people them will teach with this. Are all slave. Man and baby Roddy. All slave teach with this. Back in the days when time the slave then used to work in the hills, this is the way where them that do the tobacco. Then twist it in a rope. Yeah. And them could have it for sell and then have it for them smoke. Then little comfort in the night when time they after they get them a beat and something. A man can build one tobacco script and keep back, you know?
Yeah.
So that's so now a slavery thing this man. This a come from ancient days. So a man like all me know we can twist grabber, you know. You have to have a good talent when you can twist tobacco. Twisting tobacco no, that's where it a come from. And me and you teach no one this. This how we hold 4 parents them.
I know that.
Right.
Something. Yeah, we all ancestors them. This a come from
Tobacco
way
in a history
down.
book for sure.
So if you can continue have this for show the public how to twist grabber, we can only know grabber but a tobacco in name.
Right.
This I want something where when me a little boy, my whole people they used to send me go buy half yard of tobacco, quarter yard of tobacco. It's sell by the yard, you know. And ancient days something before me and you born coming at this world, tobacco was smoke and people are twist it, carry market go sell it, you know.
People, the same thing. So Cherry, I just cap out trade.
I wrote the next, you know, so sit down.
Roddy,
This is
you
the
go
Rasta
Roddy. What kind of something you tell me you know? Bingy, you go cream? Yeah, so what kind of cream them a talk about?
Today let
Rasta
me
no need cream much more put in a Rasta here.
today let me bingy cream let me touch out in here.
Cause sit down that chair when we get up.
The that everything I cream out.
Bingy here.
Thing in the pan that.
No,
Me can't put me a dress and me can't put in a Rasta here. How
You
sad.
go go up with Rasta.
About the Rasta. The man a real Rasta no much years, you know.
That I'm a lie. That I'm a lie.
I'm a Rasta no like a camouflage Rasta.
That I'm a lie, man. A long time this a man a Rasta. Man.
Yeah,
Yeah, shame days. I'm right away about me no pretty. I forgot watch out this. You watch out to me
Yeah,
here.
man from in
So we are going to do some hairdressing today, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Before we
Subscribe.
start, we're right.
Like.
You know.
So we bring
Hit
some
that like
okra.
button.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
you gonna
Yeah.
put some sip.
Yeah, we mix some soup and steamed fish and then something there.
Wow.
Yeah.
That I go on today. Then I go soon lock off this and go all a beard and put on a clean suit of clothes. Get myself ready to. Yeah. Lock off this one night time.
Yeah,
Fry
man.
you see okra come.
Yeah, and then me not see the right
But
thing
the
come.
soup,
Yeah.
Go in and me see.
Okra, you know.
I go rate out one native right now and put on
Yeah,
the
a natural thing we deal with, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
natural.
natural thing we deal with.
Okay, Dorian can't matter with too much of that.
Right, natural here.
The natural thing.
I'm glad to I saw me grow natural, you know.
Yeah.
Day one from my granny days.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause my granny was natural, you know.
Yeah.
Coconut oil she used, not even hair oil she don't buy a shop, you know. I coconut oil where she boil she use oil or hair, you know.
And that's
So
why you
ants
put
no
up,
bowl him.
and that's why you put
So
up
ants no
coconut
take up
trash
granny.
Me don't know what clock strike with it, cause me a youth then time there, you know. But when that go for rancid,
Me I tell you, you know, when that go for Ransted, pa you after 3-4 days.
another rain time, I know the island sleep in there, you know.
Guys, I can't sleep up, you know.
Yeah, Mr. As
Yeah,
little
man.
as
As the time get cold, you notice the whole back line get freeze up like in a fridge.
Yes, I and get white.
Yeah, but them tell you so that oil have lot of benefit in already.
Yes.
Coconut oil, you know.
Yeah, man.
Every morning me I listen on the radio.
Then
and
our
them a tell you.
lotion, when we are going to school, you know.
I tell you used to rub
Yes,
skin.
and that my granny use rub with skin.
Yeah.
That thing shine like glass when the sun out, you know. When the sun melt up that.
Hey, but that time people never easy still, you know.
But that keep the skin purify
Yeah,
and
smooth.
Yeah.
But then time they you don't want that pan.
Me no want coconut oil.
You don't want that rub.
Ready to want to call me see you deal with quote na church up here and say we no control the yellow ocean. You don't want.
Wow,
Wait.
kid.
But my granny broke me, so me broke random time, so me grew up random time. You know,
So you have to
see.
wear
They
lotion.
use back the
Yes.
coconut trash. Yeah,
Yeah,
good
man,
for
then
your
I
skin, man.
use.
Good for your skin, man. You have a lot of benefit from coconut, man. They tell you
Coconut?
say,
So this
the
morning,
water.
before me come down, me no lotion up down with my coconut trash, because me burn one little sip, you know.
Yeah, from morning.
Yes.
So you can't take up nothing today.
So you
Yes,
can't
sir.
take up no portion of food today then.
And by me take one shield corner of me, my belly goes so screw because I can say nothing. No in space.
From blue dry downstairs in my fridge, you will left for your friend with you.
Well, we have to go slice up that because me never there.
Yeah, we did one for you, man.
That a for me.
Yeah.
Alright.
We did have to left one for you. Remember you never there when the last cooking they go on, you know. So we have to left for your one, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we no work so. Remember, see a team thing we deal with, you know.
Yeah, be-
So if Roddy not there, you know, anything we do, we have to left for him,
Yeah,
you know.
man, my one
Yeah,
have to left, man,
yeah,
every
man.
time.
Teamwork.
That's how we do, man. Yeah, man, a teamwork, man. So we not left out nobody out of the team, you understand?
No.
Anything I just whole of
Yes,
we
sir.
do what we have
Yes,
to do
sir.
together, cause it's a team thing,
Yes,
you know.
sir.
You hear some people say for your fans, for me fans. The fans them are for the whole of we.
We
One
right.
thing is,
Me no have no fans for myself special.
Auntie Cherry, one thing, you know.
Mm.
I love your flowers.
Yeah, man, the flower them
From
bad. The
come.
one the side of you, there's somebody. Look on the one the side of Roddy.
Yeah.
Bad me a tell you, you know, Roddy, that
see
flowers
them?
plant.
Wow.
Wicked, you know, God.
Done here.
I want me to flowers and flowers, you know.
No.
I don't want
You
to.
know, always okay, pretty and beautiful and brute. That's how your name pretty.
You see,
You
let me tell you
always
something.
okay, pretty and beautiful.
You see plant, Roddy, you know that too, you know.
Oh, she look like cutie.
You
Yeah.
see life, Roddy. You as a man,
Yeah.
we fit try manifest life.
Yes, I.
Remember we youth them a feel with them, you know.
Yes,
We
I.
make them youth there, you know.
Yes, I.
Alright, if you plant one planting tree, you know, a life that, you know.
Yes, I.
Then look at all of them plant you want to plant.
Alright.
A 16 root of flowers me count up here so this morning
Yeah.
in a pot, you know.
Yeah.
16 of them there on the veranda, you know. 16 life that me I take care right now.
Yeah.
And you see
A
how-
16 life them
And
they
you
me
see
I
how
take care of
beautiful- and you
daily.
see how beautiful
Yeah,
them
give
is
them
up
them
there.
food, take care of
Right.
them. Yeah, yeah.
This is the one you have on sharp macaroni.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I buy everything to them, come and buy food to
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man,
man,
you take care of
see?
every two months.
So them is sharp
Yeah,
maca.
come and take care of
Whoa.
them feed.
Yeah, man, you
You
give them
can
food,
shop
man.
on
They
it.
You
want
can
life,
see
man.
it. You
They
can
want
see
live
it
too,
in
you
a
know.
cherry.
They want live
You
too,
can
know.
see it.
Mhm.
You can see, so you
Come and
take
care
care.
of them, man.
Yeah, man, they want to live too, man. They want to live too, man. You see me I say? So if you not take care of them, like you take care of yourself, them are go dead too. Yeah.
Those are anti-cherry flowers.
See your jellies of water them a man in time.
man.
I see your jellies of water them. Right.
When you come big and female,
Yeah, man, we give me a little spray bottle, man, and tell him say to water them a man in time, man. You
Yes,
know?
Jalisa water in the flower.
Yeah.
Flowers girl.
I
Yeah,
want the
nice
water.
flowers
I
girl.
want deer plant, you know.
Yeah, man. Look on this, man. Yeah.
Nice, man.
Oh, you mean?
When I keep
Yeah.
So you know, you see that,
favorite
Roddy?
color.
One little baby piece of that me bring home, you know.
Mm.
One little piece, you know, that's me have to hide
I
here
see.
one place for months, you
You
know.
say sucker them a bust up
Yeah,
healthy around
man,
this, huh?
months me hide this until it get ready, man. Mm-hmm.
Yes, auntie. You see all the one here? Yo.
Yeah.
Love the one
Keep
you
them.
most
Yeah.
loving most.
It's like
Yeah.
you like your tree like a pea.
Yeah, you see? Cherry, I jack off all tree. Look what Doreen here. It's smooth and look good. Well, me didn't know, me did have to put on, you know, so me have to put on the gloves, but me never work with the gloves.
Right, you know, here.
So I should have on the gloves up. You know, with the yard,
look like shiny.
we just run the risk. I mean, I have gloves still,
I told you.
but me never choose to put it on.
Okay.
So me cream, pretty cream my one, and me cream for Doreen one.
Right.
But pretty
I
now
first
put in the
say-
cream, but not for
I
the
first
cherry.
say something.
But Doreen, you're nice and
So
clean.
what cream for Roddy?
No.
No, we not go, Rasta man.
Too much and the cream, Robbie. Can't be ready right now.
I want to cream the bingy.
You bet ready, Rhoda.
Brooks in the easy, you know.
I'm ready right now for cream for ready.
Cut up a split, you know, want something
Yeah.
man.
Yes, fun.
That's how we do, you know.
So you go, you know.
Right.
You have to try to do a really good thing for yourself.
See him so.
Yeah. Teamwork make the dream work. Yes, like, share,
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you
one love
guys.
family.
Peace.